This Hebrew typewriter belonged to the great Yiddish author, the Nobel Prize for Literature laureate, Isaac Bashevis Singer. Bashevis Singer immigrated to America from Poland shortly before World War II. His wife and baby son were left behind. They later immigrated to Israel. Years later, Bashevis Singer renewed his relationship with his son and often came to visit him in Israel, and during the 1970s, even stayed here for a few months. And this is his typewriter on which he was writing his books during his many visits in Israel. He left it to his son, who left it to his daughter, who donated it to our collection, to be displayed in an exhibition about modern Jewish literature.